Good day, viewer. This is Majda Khanum. I'm an HR professional based in Dubai. I have been asked different questions, like a lot of questions all the time, and answering them one to one becomes difficult. So here I'm starting a series, as I already said, answering all those questions in the video. In videos. So another question which people ask, that like they say, get me a job, find me a job, refer my CV to this job or to that job. Now the question is that, as I always say, finding a job is a full-time job. So nobody can leave his own or her own work and can just see your CV and be forwarding it to the companies, because competition is really high. So if you want somebody else to help, or if you have to know that you need to help yourself, because searching a job is generally a full-time job. So what you need to do is, there are a lot of portals available in UAE. Almost all employees, recruiter, they search candidates through portals, job portals or job boards. So make your profile, make your CV, sign up on those portals, and then start applying. Look for your relevant job. As I already said, you should have decided and narrow down your options, like what kind of job you want, what title you want, and then search for that job. Then see if you match your skill set, qualifications matches with the job specifications put there in the job ad by the employers or the recruiters. Go to those portals, make your profile, start applying. Those portals are like, there are many, like LinkedIn is one. LinkedIn is also a professional website. Go to LinkedIn. There is Dubizzle, there is Monster Gulf, Naukri Gulf, Gulf Talent, and Indeed. And there are many. I will provide a list in the comments, or I'll provide it with the video above, so in the description. Go on those portals, make your profiles, look for the relevant job, the job you're looking for, and start applying. This you can start doing from there back home. You can start it doing from anywhere. Normally these portals have profile of 10 or more pages. Sometimes they ask a lot of information, your name, and your personal details, and your experience, and your educational details. So it will take time. So you can start doing it while sitting there back at home, and do it. Secondly, look for the companies you are interested in, and then start applying. Make profiles on that company websites. A lot of them have the job page, and sign up there, provide all the required information, and then apply for any relevant jobs. They can also they can ask you to send you the job alerts. So sign up, click for job alert also. Whenever there is a relevant job, they will be sending you an email. So coming to the point, those who want to help themselves, those who want to help a job, will have to help themselves. They should make their profile on the job portals and start applying for the relevant jobs. You may have to apply hundreds of jobs, but if you are confident and if your CV is good and you are applying for the relevant jobs, you will definitely get a call. Thank you. Good luck with your job search.